Hey everyone, in this video we are going to cook up Ropa Vieja in the slow cooker. Ropa Vieja is a hearty yet easy dish with beef cooked in tomato-based liquids, with onions, peppers, and olives. It's Cuba's national dish, and it means old clothes in Spanish. But don't worry, it's only because they resemble a pile of old clothes and nothing to do with the taste. To make it, we will throw the ingredients in a slow cooker in the morning and feast on this at dinner time. You'll need these ingredients shown, so take a snapshot and we'll cook this up in the slow cooker. Prepare the peppers and onions by cutting them into slices or chunks. Set them aside. Mix all the other ingredients together and then set that aside. Take the beef. You could brown it like I do, which adds more flavor, or you could just keep it as is and throw it into the bottom of the slow cooker. Add the other ingredients and mix it all up with a pair of tongs to make sure that the veggies have the liquid on them and everything's all coated with the liquid. And then put on the lid and cook on low for 6 to 7 hours. 4 hours if you set it on high. I think the low 6 hours allows for the flavors to develop more, so that's what I recommend. When that finishes, remove the lid and mix everything together with a pair of tongs. Dig up the meat and shred it with 2 forks, or you can just use the tongs and shred it like I do because the meat is so tender that it pretty much falls apart. Then serve these over some rice and you're set. No rice? Throw it into a bowl like stew. Some crackers or bread would probably go great as well. This dish is traditionally served with rice, black beans, and fried plantains. But it's great as it is on its own. I love this stuff, and I'm sure you will too. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. And if you're not already subscribed, please do so. Click on that bell notification while you're at it to be alerted of any new videos that I post. And I'll see you all again soon.